there, we're going to talk about how to schedule an appointment online completely with A&B Heating and Cooling. So to start, you'll grab your phone, computer, or tablet. You'll pull up our website and you'll see here it says book online now. There's also a button up here that you'll click, and that's where you'll get started. First, you'll select your issue. Is it general, maintenance, etc.? And then you'll go on to select if it's HVAC or plumbing. Once you've selected your issue, go ahead and click the button that describes what's going on with your unit the closest. If there is nothing that is listed there that fits what's going on, then just go ahead and select Other Issue. Then you'll be prompted to select the type of system that you have and go ahead and turn off that system. Follow the prompts to answer the questions based on the issue that you have. For example, describe the issue and how long it's been occurring. This part is really cool. You can take a video or picture and upload it to show our technicians what's going on in your home. After you've uploaded any photo or video, you can leave a little bit more description before scheduling your appointment. Simply select yes or no if you are a new customer and answer those questions for us. If you are a new customer, then you'll fill out your information, and if you are an existing customer, then we will be able to pull up your info from our database. All right, you're almost done. So now you'll look through the different arrival times that are left. You'll select the date and the time that works best for you, give your email and phone number, and we'll be able to schedule your appointment online. You'll receive a text message and or an email depending on what you selected when your technician is on his or her way. And that's it. We're super excited to be able to offer this very convenient way of scheduling an appointment with us. If you have any questions or issues when scheduling your appointment, please feel free to give us a call, and we hope that you'll enjoy scheduling online as much as we enjoy offering it. Stay cool, friends.